Yes, my people. Most of you guys supposed to familiar with this area. Right now we are in Arokobes around at the fishing village. It's at the marina. Here says a fish sanctuary as well. Do a little last video I do around this side when the marlin tournament did take place. Yeah, man. But by looking at the scene, my people, you guys know that about 2 days ago we have a northwest weather coming from up north. You know, come with no rain at all. Sun hot, most places overcast like what we have in now. But let me tell you about the breeze. The breeze wasn't normal at all. We have some serious breeze, so that sparks some serious seas, serious waves. Some waves, me check the wave heights. I guess the wave heights there were maybe 9-foot wave to 10-foot wave most places. Here so is a marina, which is a harbour. First in my life. I've been around for quite some years now. Me dey on land here. And first me see around here so this happened at this place. First, 2 big boats over there, some would have call them the ship. 2 mid-sized boat. Big. Landing up, see them over there, so they soon get to them in a while. You can see this at the pier right here, so regular the Coast Guard boat regular tie up, regular dock here so. And also the custom boat. Not sure where them they now, maybe them around that, yeah, maybe them around that side. Because around there so probably stay a little bit calmer. But when by the looks of things is not looking good for the boats. Afraid for all walk across us because this a broke, you know. You can see it gone down in a hole because one of the posts and drop off there so. I think maybe enough to broke it down fully though. See? Gone. Lot of boat around here so still more up. But me I tell you, it's one of the beaches boat there. That are then dive boat. I know that boat personally. Encounter this boat countless time I see because beaches is just around the corner there. And this boat may encounter it countless of time, you know, in the water. That are them one of them main dive boat, main scuba diving boat. This one I guess are for them too as well, this one in front. And let me start with this one. This one I believe it to have 2 engines on it. As me say, see it a lot of time. I only seen 1 engine now. So I guess it look like one that tear off. Look like you see rip off one. Just in front of it. Just in front, me sorry me never, but the drone couldn't fly as a still, but me sorry me never zoom camera. But just in front, we can see a boat bow just in front. A boat sank there. There's a sinking boat there, a sinking boat right there. Yeah man. Beaches, main dive boat over there, me that say. Also sink as well. It's just half of the boat out of the water. I do some cropping when me I edit, make you guys see more clearly. Yeah man, that boat on the water there so. Yeah, you know look good at all. Fishermen, they are the lucky ones still. Them jump most of them boat out of the water, then put them way up on land. This now, this sailboat here so the sea car that come left it there, so. That one did anchor just in front. Sea car it can lean it up right there. So yeah man, me I tell you, look at the pier again. I come off like quick. The boat then come like it's a carpenter come with them and come pull them up. No normal. It's a sailboat look like say somebody just take you up and lean up with it. Sea carry it the boy. Fisherman dig out them boat out of the earth, out of sand. Fiber barrier so. So one of the boats is in the tournament too. Whole heap of boat berry, you know. If you dig them out. Look at these. Whole heap of digging out. As I say, you know, my people, this year I say, you know, the first from me born. I see them out there come and say, you know. Over 30 odd years. Never witnessed this before. Yeah man. Berry. But these not bad though. Those sand build up at the front of them, you know. But quite a few digging have to go on. Not a bad. The fisherman call it. Most of them survive it. That guy right here digging out for him boat have go want some repair on it too. But no whole heap of bad damage will cost no millions though. Them are not in the water, them are alright. Yeah, but me I walk go towards the big boys, them you know. The big boys and damage bad. Big boys and damage bad man. These boats look like them have a write off. Like them have to probably use them tid quality one way been up man. This one to me never look like it operational still. This front one here, so. Oh God. Ocean lady. Like it never in a good shape. You can see some rust on here, so. But yeah man, the mooring for these bursts, my people. The mooring for these bursts. So I end up on the beach here. This one damage bad. This one damage bad. One damage real bad. You can see the whole of the side there, so bend up. We can walk over to that one a little more, a little bit closer. Without wet up my foot, you know. You can see all of these places. Water. You can see the water deal with these places real bad. And my people, may I tell you about a harbour, you know, which is a spot all when hurricane come, this area don't get rough, it stay calm. But weather come from the north, whenever We have weather coming from the north. It's very serious, man. Look on the next side of this boat. I said this one a damage bad, man. This one is a metal. This make out as a big metal boat, this, you know. Huge metal boat. You can see say it take a whole lot of beating. Yeah? The free board, which is from the water line to the gunnel, take a whole lot of beating. It's come like at one point it was on this side. At one point. And see all of these was rubbing on the ground. Rubbing on rocks. Whole lot of beating, man. Free boat. The bow look alright. It's a metal hanging from the anchor, where the anchor should be. That metal look like it's coming from somewhere else. And from the outside of this damage, no say the inside I have a lot of damage too as well. Sorry, I can't go back. This side look clean. Yeah, this side look clean, you know. This side look very clean, so most definitely it was on the. Oh, this is wet me up, man. Yeah, most definitely it was on the port side. The starboard side look well clean. No damage whatsoever. Maybe some internal damage caused from shaking or bouncing and things. But the starboard side have no damage whatsoever. Not seen any. But the port side, terrible shape. Terrible shape. No still. Then if these boats now become scrap metal or what? But this look like this like a whole piece I got take to fix. If them are going to fix it. You know say this boat was operational though. You see this one at sea already. But that one there, that one, never seen that one move before, but saw this one move. We must know still. Sorry, I never get some clip of Pier 1. Pier 1 Montego Bay mash up. Man, this side of the boat take a whole lot of beating, man. So I go back this way. see a lot of damage on this one though. This one look like it just broke the anchor line or the mooring and just wash the ground, you know. But this one take a whole lot of beating. As said, you can see that it was on the port side at a time. From the stern, you can see even down by the stern, the freeboard and the stern, whole heap of dents as well, you know. So it definitely was on this side. Well, you see, look like it'll come back still, so maybe by weekend, Sunday, Monday, we are gonna have some good sea again. We'll check back the weather. But with all shower rain, we know good things are come after. We are gonna have some nice fish, so we are gonna have some nice fish to catch, you know. A whole heap of fish are gonna come with this weather. Me know that. A lot of fish are gonna come with this weather. So I have a lot of rust on it. I don't know if it's operational still, if it was operational. I'm just saying. But I know that one was operational. Yeah, I'll have to take note from these, you know. And once you own a boat, weather is key, you know. Smaller boat, you can pay less attention to the weather, you know. Bigger the boat is, you pay more attention to the weather. These northwest weather here, I'm serious. Still have to give thanks still. As from your life no take, nothing no take at all. All of these can come back, you know. All of these things can come back. Glass is full of water. Yes, boy. Got the beach, man. Let's see. One boat sink out there, so one half around the water. One of them engine drop off. One of the engine then drop off. Now I'm around a rock best of your boy. White River good still. You say Podgy good too. You say nothing no going up there, so. Now watch your fishing village supposed to good. Them supposed to take them for them boat out of water too. Around here, so pull up. So yes, my people, just to show what really take place on our side, which part may see the most damage take place in St. Mary on our side. I know Mobile, I never mention about Montego Bay. Montego Bay, them get it wicked. So you people will see video where I circulate around with Montego Bay. We shall show this a marina here, so. You know? So what take place here, so. So yes, my people, give thanks, and if you like this video, continue. Please consider and subscribing to the channel. Check if you subscribe. Yes, man. We do fishing here, and also a lot of others adventure video, you know. Man, so if you like any type of fishing at all, line fishing, spear fishing, any method, good place to be. Alright, my people, before I end this video, what happened, I leave a Rockabess and I come a White River. Being that me here, I just show here so you know want to, you know. This is the current situation at White River right now. You can see this was the river here where I'm walking. You can see Ton Beach, straight, one nice piece of flat. It's just a little corner of the river running right now. Because as I said, this weather only come with breeze. So no, and cloud. So no rain. So wherever the river no come down. And they have a dam up top where them use to create electricity. So the river is kinda low now. Actually it's low bad now. So that's the reason why you're so really low still, but as you guys can see, the sea kinda make the river mouth very narrow. Very narrow. Yeah, man. We have some nice wave here so still, but not major still. If the sea did clean, you did want to see you could have got. But it take time to cut off, but as you guys can see, the river mouth did actually about here, so when I stand up, but the whole of this now Pearson. See carry over Pearson. Look at the river mouth. The river mouth look like real flat. Even the fiberglass man them, when time come for them go see, it a go real struggle. It a go give them a real struggle to go out there. Real struggle. So you've mentioned my boat. My boat can float come all the way down here still. Yeah, but me have a method where me I go use to come out in a shallow water, you know? Yeah man, the river mouth gone all further. You can go around the corner down there, so you got. So, I don't know what me I say now. This one look good here, so. Struggle for the boat then come out of this thing. Struggle this. Well, when the weather ease down, me see what it is like. When the weather ease down, me see what it is like. Maybe I need a trailer for my boat, you know. Maybe I need a trailer for my boat. So, anybody have any trailer selling or can sell? So, 22, anywhere from 19 to 25 foot trailer, you can hold a 19 or 25 foot boat trailer. Single axle or double axle. You can give me a link. Number in the description. You need a trailer. The way the place are run right now, it look like cement will start push off from most of the places. The river mouth create a struggle right now. Get real worse. If you stay like this, it's really hard for me to go out there. So one raft I get where Off a runway now, no captain on it. No captain on this raft. How we can control this? Ah. Come in. And that me I say. No sir. Raft. Yeah man, speaker back, shoes and everything up on the raft, you know, and it'll get up where I gotta see nobody. Everything up on the raft, it'll run. I rope up on it. See everything up on the raft. It look like all tourists have things on it. Yes my people. Yeah man, show the situation you know in the place. Raft around I gotta see. Like you know, I wonder if Freddy did have it. Yeah. See that come off still. I know by tomorrow it will go flatter on this. Sunday, Monday probably have good see. Weather left to come. I go check my thing there and see what come, you know. Oh yes, give thanks, give thanks. Alright. So now the next one. Just